Hello my lovely friends, you're super welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're old, you are super welcome. Alright guys, please check below, you see the subscribe button, click on that subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget, please don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Alright guys, so today I bring correct story for our Naija babes demo. This story they sweet my belly. This story now how you could take hold your bubble where we say people go they think say you don't give am coke, not me. People go think say you don't wash your head. People go think say you don't wash that side, put for food, give am, but they no go know say na tips, basic keys, and you can't use the right key when you open that door. All right my beautiful people, so what I go tell when I say the keys, I will take time and elaborate them, explain them. When I know say I like I'm a born as a bit talk, so I will take time and explain all the explainable, so this video could get part 2. So if you watch this video and you love the video, give it a thumbs up, because if I have 50 likes, then I will make a part 2 of this video. So let's jump right into the video. I carry and put GV for my white. My white way on they tell me bye bye, but me I never ready to tell them bye bye. So now I carry my GV sofri. I put them. You remember those good old days in secondary school when you want your whites to be glittering, and then you use either GV or blue to make your white continue blinking. So that's not what I want to talk about, but I'm just explaining. So if person can say why this one come with finger like this, me una just take understand with me. Plenty Naija babes feel say the only way to win a Naija guy heart is not to open leg. No, the way to win a Naija guy heart no be to open leg, my sisters. You get plenty things where we call them say keys. Those keys now they take open that heart, and when you don't open that heart, people will they say you don't go juju, you don't cook something, you don't wash something. Nothing where they never talk, because we here will not believe say true love day. But for Obodo Yibo, if they don't see this kind of thing, they will say, wow, this is such a true love. They say love with each other. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. This is love. But here, they can say, she don't wash yeah, she give them. Somebody will say, you don't carry and go here and there. But they don't know say he gets some keys when you go carry open person heart. The thing will be like saying a spell, it will be like saying a ogboni, it will be like saying a juju, but no be juju. Now those keys now come to share with una, so me una just sit down where gidigba, put una seat belt, listen to these keys where I won't give una. One key be say, if guy can't toast you where you say you like the guy, show and say you like him now, babe. Show the guy say you like him. All this way, those old school ways. You say, let me think about it first. I really don't know. You go come to do like this. Waiting now, babe. Not only you there. See, the market, not be only you there more. If you too do that guy, one thing I want to advise you now personal hygiene. This personal hygiene, what they tell you so, now very wonderful things. Very correct something where they say every woman supposed to know. When we say you will know how to maintain your other rooms, because that place now be your powerhouse. You know what in the other rooms? See other rooms here. See other rooms here. If you even see other rooms here, I mean, mama, when I just take it like that, other rooms they down here and they here, even mouth. This place is where I make sure so there's a bit smell if you no maintain them. No matter how you find rich, no matter how you correct rich, if you no fit maintain yourself, if you no fit keep yourself neat, I tell you say your name now or your. Because no matter how you find where you come near person will smell. You know how where does been there how people they do their face when they want pass there now. So I'm gonna keep if they don't mean they decide to keep their face. So I'm going to even do like now two people go take the wrong from you. So as a woman you need to keep yourself well. You know to need too much something now. At least all this small body spray. You go even see the one of 600, see the one of 700, even the one of 500 there. At least when you bath, you get even some cheap ones now. For the you get even some cheap ones. Haba, you get some cheap ones. Like the ones say wey no even be this thing. You know say lime na very good this to me. Lime. If you buy lime 50 naira, you slice them into two. You open your armpit like this. You shave them. I say some people open their armpit for you. Na evil forest. Na evil forest na in their armpit be. You go even if zebra no even comot or lion no comot attack you, your own better. Some people armpit, how much it go cost you now? Even if you know if you buy shaving stick 50 naira, at least buy razor 20 naira. If you buy that razor 20 naira, you take open your armpit, you shave them. When you shave and finish, you know you go wait like 3 days. After 3 days, you go buy lime. Don't do it immediately because if it hurt you, no come call my name. Instead you shave immediately, no put that lime there because it will hurt you well. You will leave it for like 3 days. When all those shaving bombs they don't dry, then you go carry lime. Cut them into two. Lime, even 20 naira, you don't buy lime now. 40 naira, you don't maintain yourself now. How bad? There's no excuse for being dirty. You will buy lime, cut them into two. Open down your armpits. Clean them well. Use them, brush them well. When you brush them like that for like 1 week, I tell you, say, even if you been get chronic body odor, you no go take it. Then you go know as you go take the wash that side. Once in a while, you go just take boil hot water. If you boil hot water finish, you fit put small Dettol inside. Then you go put small salt inside. Now very small salt, the way you go just pinch am like this. When you pinch am like this, you pour inside the water. Now pinch, you go take pinch am. You know they plenty. Before you go say na me tell you. Then you go put am, you open yourself. You sit down inside the water. If it hurt you small, you stand up. All those basic small things wey woman you go take maintain yourself. Because if you come dey say, I too dey get disappointment for relationship. For relationship. I tell you sometimes now all these things they no go tell you now. Some people no want offend you, so they no go tell you. They no go tell you say your other rooms they smell, and they no want tell you. And they no want offend you. You might carry your number 6 reason them now. Sometimes you go open that armpit, you smell them well. Me and they do them more. Sometimes even put your face, smell that place. When you smell them, I mean the way maybe they want tell you. No, now they're sensitive, my sister. So the number one thing na personal hygiene. I don't tell you now, say it no cost money. If you want to do the natural method with 40 naira, you don't take maintain that side. If you want, then you at least now as a woman now you go get spray now 500 naira now. Haba man, 500 no go pass you now. You get spray, even spray of 300. They get one I've been they use that time when I did secondary school. Then they call and say joy. Then I've been buy 150. Blessing now I don't reach 300. Very nice fragrance, very cool fragrance like that. If you go see plenty. Even someone book they even carry 200. You go just buy they use. They're very okay. So you don't get any excuse to say you know if you maintain yourself. You don't get. I tell you say you don't get. Let me tell you, say you don't get any excuse, my dear sister. You don't get any excuse. So no number one thing be that way if you make people men they run for you, but you no go know. The second thing be say you need to be independent too. Yes, so na plenty things where some of our Nigerian girls no be this. They think say na to buy Brazilian hair, na to wear the latest clothes, na to look binging. Them themselves they call themselves slay mama, slay papa, slay this, slay auntie. No be all those things. I think say not to expose themselves. Me at least if you, as I dress like this, so I dress responsible. I know they okay. I just leave this small one here just to spice and up. Now at least now me not to be like say now me too holy pass now. At least I man just spice this small one. Me just spice the place up now. Have a man now. Go buy this one rule of attachment now. Go apply this hair now. I no fine. I'm fine. We buy see until you go spend thousands where you no get for your body before you go feel look fine. This rule of attachment, how much I buy and one roll I take plait this hair how much I plait and 1,000 you know, but that one no mean say I no get money. That one no mean say I no fit buy expensive Revon. Look for some of this my video when I was see they use some of those Revon, but not all the time. And I no fit come on my head so I want to guy that the level be that. So the thing they be say that money where they carry they buy all those big hair. They carry they buy all those expensive clothes. And they tell you, they say, you as a girl, you need to be independent. See, this Naija hard though. This Naija hard, but some babe, they never give themselves sense. They never know say this Obodo Naija hard. They never know say the economy, no, they look our face. The thing, no, they laugh with us. The economy, no, they laugh with us at all. So we can't wise up. We got to wise up. We got to know what they do per time. Some girls just they wait make man come marry them so that they go carry all their burden put for the man head. Some girls just they wait make man come marry them because I beg I no fit wait till next year by God's grace I no go pay house rent again. Is that your how do I even put it? Is that your aim for going into marriage? No, that's like that shouldn't be your aim for going to marriage. So you guys package yourself. Even guys now then they find woman where get a pala. Now me they tell you, if you like find like Queen of the Coast, if you don't get a pala, I go hard you. Because this economy, when money they come up from one post like that, plenty guys don't wise up. That's why sometimes some girls they go sell this celebrity, they go they dress half naked. You man won't go dress half naked. Her market, auntie. Her market. Since we been they dress half naked, her market. The only thing be saying those people they go carry you shine. When they shine your Congo finish, they go drop you. Carry another type of your girl shine in Congo finish, drop her. Those celebrities where they see so they are superstars, they get favor. Some of them you go see they say they go marry because they get a pala now. They get what they do now. Okay, so now celebrity go barb punk, barb hair like one kind crazy person. You when you don't get money, you go they barb that kind of hair. They go see when they see you barb that kind of hair, they go say this one na angoro, this one na weary, this one na this. But in whiskey baba people say, hey, on levels, correct guy, and yeah, see how they rain. This guy too like in swag. But you what they do like that now. You know we even see food chop. And true you go become thief because once you know see food chop, you will become thief now. Because you can that hair, you don't carry and go office as far as the Nigeria they concerned. If you can't go interview, nobody will answer you. So we cast wise. Both boys and girls, we cast wise. No be everything when you see celebrity, they go dress up naked. Some of them as you see them, so the people where they come to marry them, the people where they don't live outside country, they get their orientation of say, beg, they don't live life. They don't care what that person dress anyhow, you know, dress anyhow. But you when you day here for this our own setting, yeah, you don't even get anything for hand. You won't go the dress half naked, or you won't pack all the money where you for carry do business, carry them. Go they buy human hair, buy this, buy that, buy that. Baby girl, carry that money, put them for business. Carry that money, put them for business. Add value to your life, add value to yourself. And they tell you, say, no, we even reach 1 year, you will see correct guy. Don't be saying some girls where you go say, this one they do. They dress. Me say, yes, I did so. If I tell you, say, I get plenty things what they do, you no go believe. You will not believe that I have a lot that I'm doing. I'm always very busy 24/7, but I still try my best to look good, to take care of myself, you know, take care of my skin, take care of my, you know, a whole lot of things. You can't just abandon yourself, or maybe when you are busy, you become too busy for yourself, you don't take care of yourself anymore. No. You don't do that. You don't do that, okay? So what I'm going to tell you is that try and take care of yourself. And the first thing I told you is personal hygiene. The second thing, be independent. Some girls when they see them, so they own a flash. They don't even feel carry phone like this, call their boss, say how far, how you be. Just because they say you don't ask them out, you don't enter debt, be that. Because I say you don't ask this babe out, you don't enter debt. They don't even want to spend their 5 naira. They don't even get. If they just get more money in a cloth, they get more money in a cloth. They get more money now. They won't buy hair, they won't shine. No adding value to their own self. So this video don't long, and I get plenty things with me I want to share with you on how to take catch a Naija guy, add value to yourself. Because me I don't see plenty people will be saying they added value to themselves. Now husband self can't even they beg them. No be this one where you go sit down every day, they check your phone. This guy come online, I send a message, he never even reply. The guy there they fight for your future. You there they monitor him like a monitoring spirit. You know go fight for your own future. You did the monitor him like monitoring spirit, abi. Una gas wise. Okay, now if una want make this video get part 2, just give me how many likes I will even talk. Okay, might just say 50 likes. Una just give this video 50 likes and I'll release the part 2, guys. So stay beautiful.